All right, here's the last one.
Oh, that went really far.
That really did. Okay.
That was kind of sad.
All right, now.
You always
All
hide.
right, Morris is up here.
Yeah.
Take a
I
knew that. Now you got to do the field here. See, that's
Hold on. Well, see, Renee's planes affected the flight of that
That's
one.
right, the aerodynamics there.
I think he should get to do it again.
You get to do it again.
Morris.
Oh, that was for a negative one.
Even
I was hoping for a negative one. One.
You rolled. Woo!
Yeah, 6 inches. Oh, we got two.
Bad.
25, 28, 29.
Yeah, so that's the
I never got a turn.
All right, here we go. We got Katie. Your turn. Here you go. Give it to me.
I was gonna figure it out myself.
You're gonna do it from there, weren't you?
Yeah.
I don't want you to, I want you to be able to have the full extent of the law there. I almost dropped this. Did that help? Death. Oh wait. Okay, let me. That's not too bad there. That was a good 7 feet. You lost the other ones. Oh, that was the one you made then, huh? They're on the table somewhere, I'm sure. All right. Good job.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, you ranked it.
Okay.
I actually sprayed that like right in my people. Like I had vanilla my freshman year, and I had like.
Thanks a
people
lot.
in my art
Thanks a
class.
lot.
Does it taste like vanilla? What is that? Cranberry.
You didn't ready to go?